Hi, kids. So good to see you. Do you want to come play with us? Let's go on an adventure in my Toybox. Hi, Toybox kids.
Hi, Toybox kids. Today we are going to talk about several ways that you can practice your alphabet. And we have this really fun activity here. And we're just going to show you 3 of the ways that you can play with it.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to see the first way?
Yep.
Okay. How about Merida? Is she going to help you today?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Okay, so the first way is to match letters. So you have to do a little scavenger hunt and you have to find the letters that are on here that have been cut out.
Oh.
So do you want to go in order or just want to pick a letter and find it?
Square and fine.
Okay, so which letter do you want to find first?
Hey, what's the thing that you're supposed to find? A, all over.
Okay, so we'll find A first. Great idea.
Hey, but what's the thing that you didn't think that I can find it?
Okay. I don't know if you can find A. A's our first letter. Wow, that was fast too. You found it. All right. After A, the next letter is G that we're going to find. Can you find G? Oh, look at that. It's up on the top. Good eye. Yes. All right, so that's how you play the matching game. There are a few different sheets, and you can go through the alphabet in order, or you can mix it up like we did. Okay, so the next thing that you can do with this activity is you can place the printed sheets inside of a plastic sleeve like this, and you can practice tracing some letters.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so for example, you can use an Expo, or you can use any sort of dry erase marker and trace. You want to go ahead and show them how to trace a letter?
I'm gonna do A.
Good. Now you could use a contrasting color so it really shows up, but we're doing pink and a pink heart. So it's just gonna look kind of filled in, huh?
Yeah, just.
And you can just color it in too. Why not?
Yeah, and
Show me how to.
Well, now where is the A?
It's almost camouflaged. Look at that with all that pink, huh?
Yeah.
Show me how to do G. Can you show me how to do G? Oh, you're showing me I. Outlined I. How about G? Good job. Just like that. So easy, huh? Let's show them the last way to play with this. All right, so we're going to show our third way to use this activity, and it is dealing with phonics and listening for phonetic sounds. So we have Merida here. We have Merida. What letter does she sound like she starts with? Merida. What letter do you think? Yeah, M. Can you find M and put it with her? Good. Excellent job. Yeah. Who is that? Who's our special guest? Candle.
Mr. Spot.
I think that is Miss Potts.
Yeah, but Mr. Potts is missing her child.
Yeah.
And Mr. Clock.
Yeah.
And also her child's lid.
Yeah. So Miss Potts here, Potts. What does Potts start with, do you think? What letter do you think she starts with?
Ooh, W, S, J, P.
Yes, P. How does P sound? Yeah, pa. Good. And that's another way that you can use this activity. Doesn't that sound like fun? Yep. All right. Thank you, Toybox kids, for watching. All right. Bye.
I know my name's cool and blush. Just so I know this how I love.
Good job. I love that. If you would like to watch more videos like this, please subscribe.